How to add gradient colored text in Canva. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add gradient color text with Canva. Okay, so first of all, you're going to go to Element and you are going to type in gradient. Okay, and you have a whole lot of options. We're going to type in see all and you are going to choose one. We are going to choose this one. Okay. Here we're going to make it bigger to get the best, and then you can choose any text that you want. Okay, and you can just make it as big as you want just to get that whole gradient in, right? And I would recommend using white or a gray, but white works the best. Okay, so now you're going to click on the text and you're going to say transparency. Take the transparency between 30 and 40, but 40 works best. Okay, now we are going to click on share and you're going to download the image, okay, as a normal PNG. And now we are going to wait for the download. Okay, great stuff. Let's just add a new page. Now we're going to go to uploads, upload a file, and you're going to upload that same picture that you just saved. Let's go to quick access. Okay, and it would be right about, oops, no, it's not here. Let's go to downloads and it should be here. Once it pops up, you guys can see I've got a lot going on. Huge sale. Okay, there we go. So now we open and then it will download automatically onto uploads. Okay, so then the next thing that you're going to do is, you can already see I have everything here. You're going to click on huge sale and you're going to make it bigger. Okay, now you're going to go to edit photo and you are going to use the background remover to remove that background. And now you're going to see the magic happens. Okay, but now we want this to stand out a bit more. And we're going to enhance it. Oops, we're going to go to adjust. And you want to maybe take the temperature up if you want that. You want to tint it. You want to take the brightness down, contrast up. Okay, now you have to go back and save it again. But this time, when you click download, you want to use the transparent background. Okay, and we're only going to download the second page. Okay, click download. And then you're going to go to uploads again, upload file, go back the whole story, go to downloads, and there we have this one, and it'll start downloading now. Perfect. Okay, now we'll just add this and voila. So there you have it. Now you can choose any background that you want. Let's go to elements and type in beach. Okay, now we're going to have a nice little beach background. Layer, send backwards. And there we have it. Okay guys, I hope this was a big help. Please don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe and a like, and then I'll see you guys next time.